all my girls out there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I'm Shivani Kapoor and I make a lots and lots of like interesting haul videos so that आप लोगों का shopping experience and shopping time easy हो जाए, like सब कुछ easy हो जाए. So that's the idea and that's why I come up with lots and lots of hauls. And this one, by the title, you know it's a cord set haul. So actually guys, last 1 month ना मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ Indian wear haul करा because lot of you wanted a lot of like variety options. तो in case अगर आपको कुछ Indian wear hauls चाहिए, then I think that videos मैं सारे अपने description box में link डाल दूंगी, आप सब देख सकते हो. But this one is very very special and I'm very excited for this video because मुझे ऐसा लगता है summers में ना you feel like wearing everyday wear, आपको बहुत ही comfortable wear चाहिए होता है. You want some ऐसे cotton stuff and very regular stuff which you don't want to like think before wearing, and that is why I came up with some few options of cord sets. And ये वाले cord sets guys सिर्फ Indian wear नहीं है, they are like mix of ethnic wear and western wear. So stay tuned till end of the video because end of the video में ना मैं कुछ recommendations भी आपको दूंगी for some amazing cord sets जो मुझे अभी तक डिलीवर नहीं हुए हैं. I was like waiting for them for so long, but I think वो 7 days से ज़्यादा ही हो गए हैं and I couldn't resist. तो मुझे लगा जो मेरे पास आ गया है मैं वो उसका हॉल बना देती हूँ and then जो अभी आने वाला है वो I will put in my screen in the end of the video. So stay tuned and let's start the video guys. Disclaimer, जितने भी कॉर्ड सेट्स है ना, everything is under ₹1000. So like everyday wear है and you don't want to like spend too much. तो I think everyday wear के हिसाब से ना ₹1000 के नीचे रहना चाहिए and ज़्यादा नहीं जाना चाहिए. And yeah, there's somewhat like and lot of you ask guys कि जब भी आप ऐसे वीडियो बनाते हो ना तो अपनी हाइट और अपना साइज डाल दिया करो. So I will link everything, like I will just put link. I will put that everything on my screen right here. Okay guys, so जो first cord set है ना, that's like not a cord set but it's a 3-piece set and I loved it. So let me show you. It's very interesting. मैं आपको अच्छे से दिखाती हूँ. Like this is the top, ठीक है? So ये सिर्फ एक टॉप है पहले, so it's like a V-neck top and it is like sleeveless. और इसको आप as it is भी यूज कर पाओगे guys. Like this is how it is and I love this print. It's like so summery yellow and whitish print. ये इसकी pants रहेंगी, like it's the same print of course अगर cord set है तो. और इसका pants ना बहुत ज्यादा long नहीं है. Like I don't know, like आपको if you are like 5'5" तक तो I think आपको ये इतना ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं आएगा लेंथ में. And then the interesting part is the jacket on top. It's like so good. I really like this concept overall. So ये jacket है and इस जैकेट में ना बीच में it's like a tie detailing, तो आप खोल के भी पहन सकते हो और बीच में नॉट भी कर सकते हो. So guys, this is like a very good cotton fabric. So it's very like casual wear and everyday wear. मुझे ऐसा लगता है इसको ना थोड़ा सा ड्रेस अप भी कर सकते हो, ड्रेस डाउन भी कर सकते हो. So these are the kind of things जो मैं घर पे भी पहन के बैठ सकती हूँ. And if I want to go out somewhere, I can still think of it because मुझे लगता है इसके साथ मैं थोड़ी सी ज्वेलरी डाल लूँ and then heels डाल लूँ तो everything just goes up anyway and it's like very affordable also. This was 900 something rupees का guys, so it's like definitely a very good deal. Usually मैं Amazon से ना हमेशा small sizes ही लेती हूँ, so this one fits me perfectly. But yeah, I will definitely share my review कि ये धोने के बाद कैसा रहा. So yeah, let's wait. Okay guys, now let me show the brown जो मैं जिसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, रेव कर रही हूँ. But it's really like very comfort fit and I love this. So ये ना pants है, so this is also a cord set, of course cord set ही होगा, but ये ना full length नहीं है, like proper, like I'm not very tall ना, तो मुझे ये ankle से थोड़ा सा ऊपर तक ही आ रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे बहुत ज्यादा छोटा आ रहा है. जैसा लगता है घर पहनने के लिए this is one of the most comfortable outfit. अगर आपको कुछ casual like t-shirts और bottoms पहन के बैठना है. And इसके साथ की t-shirt is like this. So it comes with this round neck t-shirt and this is like an oversized fit. I loved how it looked and it's like good for travel also. In case guys you are traveling anywhere, then I think this is so good option. Like this could be a perfect airport look as well. And इसका material is also very nice. Like it's not that cheap quality t-shirt material. बिल्कुल भी वैसा नहीं. It's like a little thick material. Also I got this very cute t-shirt. This one I got from Urbanic recently and I loved this one also. I'll link guys. अगर आपको ये भी इसका भी link चाहिए तो मैं इसका link डाल दूंगी. But let's focus on this one now. One outfit and solving so many purposes. So definitely versatile pieces. I'm feeling so hot. God save me. Guys, I'm taking a break for a second. But yeah, next up is something जो मैंने ना पर्पसली लिया है, like will see me a lot wearing that because I have like something similar already and मैंने एक और purchase करा है, so it's like a repurchase. इसको जब मैं purchase करी थी ना, they call it like as a night suit. So I don't know if it's a night suit because I don't feel like it's a night suit. This is the white base and lots of like booty print and flower print. I love it. I love this, you know, quite subtle and down tone colors. They calls for like everyday wear and sleeves भी एकदम, you know, light, no lining, nothing. So it's like super relaxed outfit and I live in this literally guys. So this is the pants और इसका length भी मुझे ना इतना perfect आता है guys, बिल्कुल ankle तक. So it's like a plus point. You are in your like own vibe and this is my vibe guys, I'm telling you. And इसमें ना अभी बहुत सारे like color options भी हैं, like you will find some endless, you know, prints and everything. तो मेरे पास एक greenish color का है and now I've got this white one. मुझे ये बहुत ही like soothing print लगा, so I got this one and it's very affordable guys. Original MRP अगर इसका आप tag देखोगे ना तो इस पे लिखा है 2599. I don't know like why. I think अगर आपके markets में जाके भी लोगे ना, like there are some nearby markets near my house and वहाँ पे सेम ऐसी चीजें like मैं double price पे देखती हूँ, so then I feel like purchasing from Amazon because you know like there's a huge difference in the prices. Anyway, so next is a black one and मुझे ना ऐसा लगता है कि ये black वाला ऐसा है, you can definitely dress it up guys because it is not a very simple, very everyday, but I think very casual and yet very stylish. So let me show you the pants first. So ये इसकी पैंट्स है एंड इसका ना प्रॉपर लाइक वाइड लेग फिट है नीचे से, तो ये नीचे से बहुत अच्छे से सिट हो रहा है अगर आप किसी हील्स के साथ पहनोगे. फैब्रिक इसका गाइस पॉलिएस्टर है, तो आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर, मे बी पीपल हु आर यू नो हु स्वेट अ लॉट, आई थिंक उन लोगों के लिए दिस वुड नॉट बी अ वेरी बेस्ट ऑप्शन, बट मेरे को इतना स्वेटिंग नहीं होता. आई वुड से इट्स अ लाइक रैप अराउंड काइंड ऑफ शर्ट है. It doesn't have a button and then you have the belt in front, so maybe you can just tie your everything around the belt and then वो बहुत cinch कर लेगा, so it will give you a very nice fit. and मैंने ये try करा, it looks absolutely bomb on me. मैंने ये भी small में लिया है, तो मुझे ना बिल्कुल shoulder से length से everything is just on point. Wear some silver jewelry with it and you are good for any party as well. I know I started this video with the you know idea that I'll keep it casual and all, but it's like a mix and blend of all guys, so don't mind it please. So last up that I have is from the brand Indoera and I think जो लोग ज़्यादा Amazon से regular shopping करते रहते हैं ना, they would know like Indoera के products Amazon पे बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं with the nicest quality. This one is something that I really like, but yeah I'll show you. So एक disclaimer दे देती हूँ दिखाने से पहले that मैंने ना casual wear बोला था, but this I think can be scaled up. Casual wear से festive wear, yeah सीधा festive wear because yeah I'm not kidding guys, you will agree with me. See, this is the whole print and it's like a like ये top है basically. I would say short kurti भी बोल सकते हो उसको. This is the neckline and everything, like again cottonish fabric and very nice like you know print. मैंने small size में order करा है, but ये थोड़ा सा मुझे ना बड़ा लग रहा है for some reason. I don't know, shirt थोड़ी सी या तो ये loose fit में है and I haven't tried this yet, so I have to try and see how it looks on me. Also इसका pants are this. So Indoera का you know quality wise guys I don't think I have complaints for it because you know मैंने पहले भी try करे हैं, they're good. So these are the pants, again these are ankle length pants, straight fit pants है. ये भी मुझे थोड़ी सी बड़ी लग रही है, I think इसमें अगर extra small size होगा ना तो मैं वो लेके जाऊंगी. And it comes with this you know this मोटी सी belt है ये, yeah. So this is like a thick belt. Like length is good guys, but you know wide थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है. So वो भी belt से I think it will fit and it will look good of course. And guys अगर आपकी belt लगा लो और थोड़े से you know बड़े earrings पहन लो, heels पहन लो और properly इसको dress up कर लो ना, then definitely this is one of the festive outfit because of the color. Because color again like something which is very festive wear and of course everyday में भी यार मेरी mom है, so she likes to wear such colors and yeah this was it. like ये वाले जितने भी pieces हैं ये मैंने receive कर लिया है, ये मैंने पहन के देख लिया है, ये मैंने सब कुछ देख लिया है and they are good and that's why I'm recommending it to you. but इसके अलावा ना मेरे पास I think 3-4 और options हैं जो मैं you know screen पे डालने वाली हूँ, और ऐसे हैं जो मैंने order करे हुए हैं बस आने वाले हैं and then I might do some Instagram reels उन सब के लिए. So this is the purple one and इस वाले के लिए guys honestly like I was super excited to receive it, but इसका अभी estimated to delivery date दिखा रहा है that is 28th of May. मैंने ना किसी की Instagram stories में भी ना ये पहने हुए देखा था, like color is beautiful. I definitely recommend this to you guys. Next one is this abstract print का, like it's a blazer, short blazer and a pant. So मुझे ये भी guys बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद आया है और ये भी मैंने ऑर्डर कर रखा है, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता लगता है कि ना ये वाले टाइप के ना थोड़े से एक्सपेंसिव मिलते हैं, लाइक इफ यू गो टू वेरोमोडा या ओनली वगैरह पे देखो ना, उस हिसाब से Amazon पर बहुत सस्ते हैं, बिकॉज मैं ये एक्सपेंसिव ले चुकी हूँ पास्ट में, लाइक मैंने अर्बैनिक से लिया था एंड इट कॉस्टेड मी 2000 से ऊपर का ही था वो. सो इन दैट केस इफ आई कंपेयर इट्स रियली गुड. लाइक पेयर सम नाइस न्यूड पेयर ऑफ हील्स विद इट. या आई थिंक वेरी वेरी स्टाइलिश आउटफिट इफ यू वांट टू हैव सम नाइस party outfits, nice lunch or dinner date outfits. Okay, next up is another recommendation, and I think this is the last one for today. So this is an animal print, guys, but in red and white color. Yeah, interesting. And yeah, I mean this is again something shirt or pants hai, so you can definitely style it up in so many different ways. You can open it, you can wear the pants separately with a black crop top, basic crop top. और ये मेरी sister के पास है. I have seen her wearing and I love like how she styled, like on her she styled with some white sneakers, and वो बहुत ही cool outfit turned out हुआ. So I really loved it. I know that ये वाले जो outfits है ना बहुत ही hidden kind of pieces थे on Amazon, because I've literally scrolled down a lot. Like I have literally spent a lot of time searching all of these quad sets, and I think these are some of my personal recommendations for all you guys out there, because I think, oh god, मैंने एक ही सांस में बोल दिया. I need some break. Okay. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you like this video, guys, and I hope आपको कोई ना कोई एक quad set तो definitely पसंद आया होगा इसमें, because I am personally a sucker of quad sets. And this was it for today's video. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the collection of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be the first one to get notified. And yeah, I'm coming up with lots and lots of hauls. A lot of you also requested for some bottom wear hauls, तो मैं उसके साथ भी बहुत ही जल्दी आने वाली हूँ. And till then, stay tuned, keep watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.